In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Chevy Tahoe key fob. Now, some of you out there might have a version that looks a little bit different than this. Probably saw your version in the thumbnail. There's one of these that doesn't have this trunk button. It has a red panic button instead. And then there is one that I think has the panic and the trunk button, but instead of saying lock and unlock, it has a picture of a lock, like an icon of a lock, and then an unlocked lock. And it says rear 2X here. It doesn't matter which one of these versions you have, they're just different layouts of the same device, and you can follow along with this video, and the process is going to be the same. The battery is going to be the same as well. We will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things that you'll need to get it done are a regular coin, a large one, works better, and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first thing we want to do here is look on the bottom right of the device. You can see there's an indentation right there. It's kind of a slot that runs along the seam of the plastic. Just take your coin, insert it in there, and once it's stuck, just give it a twist, and you'll feel the device snap open, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers. Go ahead and set this down for now. All we want to do is just come over here and just pop the battery out. And if you have longer nails, you can actually just pop it out with your fingers. If not, grab something like a flathead screwdriver, even a pen or pencil or another key that you have lying around will work. We just want to come over to this indentation. You can see there is this dark area right there. That's going to help us to slide under the battery and lift it right out, and it really doesn't take any force. You can just get under there and it comes right out. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, make sure it is a 2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. No, sorry, facing down, just like it was before. You want the positive side facing down, and you will just snap it in there so that it sits flat. And all we need to do now is just put the device back together. So drop the back on top of the circuit board there. Make sure it is all lined up and just squeeze it back together. And with that, you have a new battery in your device and you are good to go. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.